Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Chefman Caffeinator single serve coffee maker, which is a sleek machine that supports K-cup pods and ground coffee plus customizable brew settings. So if you are thinking about upgrading your morning routine, you can check out the product link in the description box below for more details. Now, one of the biggest advantages of the Chefman Caffeinator is its versatility. It works with both coffee pods and loose grounds, giving you flexibility depending on your preference. You are going to get 5 brew size ranging from 4 to 12 ounces, along with the 3 strength levels and 3 temperature settings, allowing you to fine tune your cup exactly how you like it. A standout feature here is the over ice function. Instead of brewing the hot coffee directly over ice and watering it down, this setting adjusts the brewing temperature to maintain the bold flavor when poured over ice. If you are an iced coffee fan, this feature alone adds serious value. The machine includes a 48-ounce removable water receiver with a built-in charcoal filter, helping improve the taste while reducing the need for the constant refills. The adjustable mug lift is another thoughtful touch, accommodating both small cups, tailored travel mugs while minimizing the splashing. In the real world usage, the touch control interface is very intuitive and easy to navigate. You can even program the favorite settings for one touch brewing. Performance is also very consistent and the machine operates relatively quietly. However, the footprint is slightly larger than some single serve competitors, which could be a concern for the smaller kitchen. Also, while the touchscreen is generally responsive, it may occasionally require a firm top. The build quality feels solid and durable. The Chefman backs it with a 5-year warranty, adding extra peace of mind. So if you want customizable brewing, iced coffee capability and pod plus ground compatibility in one machine, it's a strong mid-range option that you can consider. For basic brewing needs, simpler models may suffice, but this one offers added flexibility. So if you want to learn more about it, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.